Hey guys, so I have something really cool to show you and want to share with you. I have teamed up with some of you already know, and how you find me was through UpFlip. So UpFlip and we have teamed up to relaunch a new cleaning course. So essentially the cleaning course that everybody has purchased as of now, we're revamping it, putting more content into it. The original course, it was about 3 hours and a half, almost 4 hours long. Now it's going to be 10 hours long. We have really got into detail. You're going to have access to exactly the links where I purchase all my stuff, my supplies, how to come up with your business plan so you can actually apply for a loan, how to get business credit, how to apply for business credit, how you get access to 50, 100K and business credit with your cleaning company. We're also going to go into more detail, how even automate your company even more. Let me show you real quick, kind of like all the topics that we're going to be covering. So this is the new structure of the course. So it's going to be 10 modules. So as you can see, it just expansions, key markets, evaluating trends. Before you even open, make sure that your area it has a potential to actually make money, or otherwise look for another area. Why opening a cleaning is literally from very beginning to very advanced. Everything that you need in between, it's gonna be here. It's very extends. We're talking about SEO, automating, you name it. We're really bringing everything I know, putting all into a more professional way. This is gonna be, like again I said, produced by UpFlip. We're planning to launch this course by the end of May. So this is my offer, guys. Everybody who purchased the course or purchased the course before May 31st, 2022, for the price of $194 total, you're gonna have access to the new course automatically. This course is gonna be $24.97, so all three payments totaling $3,000, because we're really putting a lot of stuff in here. We even hire experts in topics, right, that are very important, and so it really packs a lot of value. You will make your money, as I like to really provide value, but this is really taking it to another level. So you can even sign up here. If you click on the YouTube channel, the original YouTube video, you can click here, it will take you here. It will sign you up for the waiting list, right? But that's if you want to pay the $24.97. If you want to have access to the new course for the price of $194, this is what you need to do. I'm gonna leave a form down below. You're gonna click on that, click link. It's gonna take you to a landing page. In that landing page, all we ask is some feedback from you, an honest feedback from the course to say, hey, this is what I found, this is what I believe, blah, 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 whatever. If you do that, and if you send us the video, so it has to be a video review, all you need to do is take your phone, record yourself, tell me what you thought about the course, send that over to me through the form. We'll check them all, and then when we launch the new course, everybody who's done that is going to have access to the new course. So if you have any questions, reach out to me. I'll be more than happy to answer them. But I'm really excited for you guys, because really, we put a lot of content that it's going to be so much value than before. So get ready for this. Just pretty simple, do a video review and help us out with that, and we'll give you access to the course.